Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to make navigating your Wix e-commerce website easier and more intuitive for your visitors, you're in the right place. Today's tutorial is all about adding breadcrumbs to your site. Breadcrumbs aren't just a stylish navigational feature. They really help users know exactly where they are in your site's structure and make it smoother for them to go back to previous pages. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add and customize breadcrumbs on your Wix store so your customers can browse with confidence. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is select the website you'd like to edit within your Wix dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're picking the right one. Nothing's worse than setting everything up only to realize you're on the wrong project. Once you've got your site open in the Wix editor, you're ready for the next step. Now look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Add Elements option. Go ahead and click on that. This area is kind of like your toolbox for building anything on your site, from images and text to more advanced features like menus and, of course, breadcrumbs. Take your time here. Wix offers a lot, and it's worth getting familiar with these options. Once you're in the Add Elements menu, scroll down until you see the section called Menu and Search. Don't rush if you don't spot it immediately. Sometimes the interface changes slightly, but it'll usually be right there among navigation options. Click on that section, and you should now see breadcrumbs listed among the available elements. Breadcrumbs might look like a simple trail of links, something like Home Shop Product, but trust me, they play a huge role in making a website feel professional and user-friendly. Next, browse through the breadcrumb styles Wix provides and pick the one that best matches the look and feel of your store. Whether your site is clean and minimalist or bold and colorful, you'll find a design that fits. Once you've chosen, just drag it onto the area of your page where you want your breadcrumbs to appear. Most people put breadcrumbs near the top of the page, right under the main menu, but feel free to experiment and see what works best for your layout. If you don't get it quite right the first time, don't worry, you can always move it later. After you've placed the breadcrumb trail, look over to the right side of your screen. That's where the inspector pane lives. Here you'll find all sorts of options to adjust things like size, design details, and positioning. Take a moment to experiment. Resize the breadcrumbs if they feel too big or too small, tweak the colors to match your branding, play around with borders or font styles. This is your chance to really make them blend seamlessly into your website's overall design. But you're not limited to just style. You can also fine-tune the layout in this same inspector pane. For instance, you might want to adjust the item spacing if you think the breadcrumb links look too crowded or too spread out. There are settings for wrapping or collapsing items, which can be super handy if your product pages go deep and the breadcrumb trail starts to get long. Format the text and links so they're easy to read and visually appealing. Don't be afraid to play around. Small tweaks here really do make a big difference in how professional and usable your site feels, and that's all there is to it. You've just added a simple but powerful navigation tool to your Wix e-commerce site. If you take a minute to preview your site, you'll see how easy it is now for visitors to hop between categories or return to earlier pages with just a click. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow. If you ran into any snags, let me know in the comments. I read every one and I'm always happy to help out. Be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.